Welcome to A Global Kitchen. This short pantry segment is about different dipping sauces used in the Vietnamese vegetarian kitchen. These sauces round out finished dishes, but they also ensure that the vegetarian version of a traditionally meat seafood dish will still remain recognizably Vietnamese, even without the meat, fish, or seafood. True, you can buy some ready-made versions of these sauces, but your from-scratch versions will taste much fresher. Plus, you can control the quality of the ingredients. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 different yet essential sauces you can use for dipping or drizzling over a variety of dishes. The first sauce is an everyday table sauce. It's a fixture in most kitchens in Vietnam. Clear, light, and endlessly versatile, this dipping sauce has the magical ability to bring together many distinct flavors into a cohesive whole. Traditionally, it's made with fish sauce, but my vegan version uses a touch of soy sauce for a boost of umami. I tasted many versions at street food stalls, in homes, and in monasteries, and after some tinkering, I think I've managed to achieve the ideal balance of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy. Put in the sugar, salt, water, and rice vinegar, lime juice, and a touch of soy sauce. Stir it until the sugar is fully dissolved. This might take 4 or 5 minutes, but it's really important to help achieve a nice balance in the sweetness and acidity in the sauce. Once the sugar is fully dissolved, add in the garlic and finely chopped Thai bird chili. Give it a stir and have a taste. Adjust the seasoning if you need to. I think it needs a touch more sugar. If you feel it needs another kick of soy sauce or some salt, do that. Let the sauce sit for 10 minutes before serving. Check the flavors before you bring it to the table. I like to use this everyday table sauce as a dipping sauce for fresh or fried spring rolls, bang sao, or drizzle it over a rice noodle bowl. If you feel creative, you can make countless variations of this sauce. You can add a touch of mashed fermented tofu or some of its brine for a funky accent, or stir in some seaweed powder or some finely chopped lemongrass, or use some fresh coconut water for a natural sweetness instead of plain water. The second sauce is a soy chili dipping sauce. Like the everyday table sauce, this one is also a no-frills, all-purpose dipping sauce. You'll notice this one has the same ingredients as the everyday table sauce, except no lime juice. It's slightly sweetened soy sauce, a touch of vinegar for tang, and hot chili slices for heat. It's all you need to create this high-impact, low-effort sauce. In both this and the everyday table sauce, I find the chili and garlic flavors get stronger the longer they sit. So if I plan on making these sauces in advance, I'll mix all the ingredients together except the garlic and chili, refrigerate it, and then add the chili and garlic shortly before I plan to serve them. To make the soy chili dipping sauce, pour in the soy sauce, water and rice vinegar, and sugar, and stir until the sugar is completely dissolved. Again, this is probably going to take 4 or 5 minutes. Once the sugar is fully dissolved, add in the chopped chili. You can also add in some chopped garlic if you want, but today I'm just doing it with chopped chili. Now give it a taste and adjust it if you feel you need a touch more sugar, a touch more water if you're finding it a little salty. So there you have your soy chili dipping sauce. I like this sauce as another option for a rice noodle bowl or to have it accompany some crispy half moon pillows or translucent mung bean dumplings. Here's a quick variation of this sauce that I like to use when preparing a banh mi sandwich. Add some thinly sliced scallions, some diced tomato, and some toasted sesame seeds. And get stirred all together. And I like to drizzle this over the bread or moisten the bread for a banh mi sandwich. So now you've got your banh mi sandwich super sauce. The final sauce I'm showing you is a nutty fermented soybean dipping sauce. I learned how to make this divine central Vietnamese sauce from Boy Cham, a well-known artist and cook who lives in the central city of Hue. Its rich, salty flavor comes from fermented soybeans. I like to use this Thai brand. You should be able to buy it at your nearest Asian grocer. Pureeing half the toasted peanuts and sesame seeds thickens the sauce and adds body. The rest are finely chopped and added to the sauce at the end. Heat the oil in a small saucepan over medium heat. Add some finely chopped scallion and cook until softened, about a minute. Add the fermented soybean paste, half of the peanuts, half of the toasted sesame seeds, the sugar, and some water. Give it a stir and bring it to a boil. Give it a good stir and transfer everything into a blender and puree it for a minute. Pour the sauce back into the saucepan. Add in some cornstarch mixed in with some cold water. Bring it to a simmer and let it cook for a couple minutes for it to thicken. You'll notice the sauce will have thickened after just a couple minutes, and it'll just lightly coat a spoon. Stir in the rest of the peanuts and toasted sesame seeds and transfer to a serving bowl and let cool and serve at room temperature. I like to pair this nutty fermented soybean dipping sauce with fresh Swiss char rolls, or eat it with bánh xèo, or even use it in a rice noodle bowl. When Boy Chan served it to me, she served it alongside raw and blanched vegetables as part of a simple rice meal. So here you have actually four. You learned 4 different dipping sauces that you can use in a variety of ways to incorporate into a Vietnamese vegetarian or vegan meal. I hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to check out the other videos on basic pantry recipes. And please give this video a thumbs up, share it with others, and I'd love it if you would subscribe to A Global Kitchen. Bye and happy cooking.